Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this lesson. Today I am going to discuss important question and answers of the Ball poem, which is composed by John Berryman. So here I begin, and before that let me ask you, have you subscribed to my channel? If you have not subscribed up till now, then please do and watch the video till end and press the like button if you have liked my video. So let us start with the important question and answers of the poem, The Ball poem, which is composed by John Berryman. In this lesson, I will discuss all the important question and answers related to the lesson as well as all those questions which had come during the last years in your board exam. So dear children, listen carefully and go through this video very nicely, and then I'm sure you are going to excel and come out with flying colors. So my first question is, how does the poet explain his ideas in the poem, The Ball poem? Also explain the central idea. Answer. The poet explains the first responsibility in a materialistic world where those whom you love and your worldly possessions will not be with you forever. The central idea, according to the poet in the Ball poem, describes the grief of a boy over the loss of his ball. With that loss, the boy senses his first responsibility. Question number 2. What is the theme of the poem, The Ball poem? Answer. The theme of the poem is that life is precious and should not be wasted. Life has to be lived, and life can be lived purposefully and fruitfully only when we stand up and come out of depression, as we are the artist of our own life. Don't hand the paintbrush to anyone else. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. As the young boy lost his ball and was sad. So don't look back, as you are not going that way, and as the boy is not going to get back his ball, similarly what has been lost will never return back. Question number 3. What do you learn from the Ball poem? Answer. The poet says that the boy is learning to cope up with the loss of the ball. He is experiencing grief and is learning to grow up in this world of possession. He learns that there are so many things in life that are lost and cannot be brought back. Question number 4. This question had come in 2012. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? What is he to do? I saw it merely bouncing down the street and then merely over. There it is in the water. No. Used to say, oh, there are other balls. Question number A part. What has happened to the ball? Answer. The boy was very sad as he had lost his ball. B. Why does the poet say, no use to say, oh, there are other balls? Answer. The poet says so as the loss of the ball is of a major consequence to the boy. C. Which word means happily? Answer. Merely means happily. D. Where did the ball go? Answer. The ball went into the water. Question number 5. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy. A dime, another ball is worthless. Where had the boy's ball gone? Answer. The boy's ball went into the dark water of the harbor. How has the loss affected the boy? Answer. The boy is very much troubled at the loss of his ball. He stands still, trembling and staring at the ball. C. Why was he trembling, staring down? Answer. He was trembling, staring down as he had lost his ball, which was very lovable for him. D. What does the poet mean by first responsibility? Answer. By first responsibility, the poet means to look after his things properly. Question number 6. This question had come in the year 2014. Now he senses first responsibility in the world of possession. Pre-will, take balls, money is external. A. What does the boy understand? Answer. The boy learns to grow up and understand his first responsibility. B. What does the word ball signify? Answer. Balls signify the boy's innocence and happy young days. C. What is meant by the word possession? Answer. Possession means something that is owned or possessed. What does in a world of possession means? Answer. In the world of possession means that everybody loves to possess things or materials in their names, whether it is the possession of land, property, money, or any other thing. So it means that the world is full of materialistic things which brings comforts and luxuries in our life. Here, everything and every action is made to possess something, whether it is the possession of land, property, money, or any other thing. The poet says that losing a ball, which is a very small thing, won't make the boy understand what it is like. So, to lose something that one possessed is a kind of thing what the inner world of possession means. It means to say that whatever you possess, whatever it belongs to you, that is your possession. Question number 7. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes how to stand up. Question number 1. What is the boy learning? Answer. The boy is learning to cope up with the loss of the ball. Why are the boy's eyes desperate? Answer. Boy's eyes looks desperate because he is sad to see his ball gone forever and he misses the ball. See what every man needs to know one day? Answer. Every man needs to know one day that loss may occur to him and he would have to bear it. D. What do you mean by epistemology of loss? Answer. Epistemology of loss means to understand the nature of loss, to have the knowledge of loss. Question number 8. This question had come in the year 2011. What does the poet wants to convey through this poem? Answer. The poet wants to convey the importance of loss and responsibility in life. We should learn our responsibility in life and how to cope up with the loss. So we learn two things. Number 1, importance of loss. Number 2, responsibility in life. Question number 9. How does the boy feel at the loss of his ball? Answer. The boy is very much troubled at the loss of his ball. He experiences grief at the loss of his much loved possession. Like a statue, he keeps staring at the ball with his desperate eyes. Question number 10. Write the sum and substance of the poem, The Ball Poem. Answer. In the ball poem, the poet tells us about how our childhood can quickly fly by as quickly as a ball is lost, and how we sometimes unsuspectingly must grow up and face hardship like loss. Question number 11. This question had come in the year 2014. Money is external. What does the poet mean by this expression? Answer. The poet makes the boy understand about his responsibility as the loss is immaterial. Money is external as it cannot buy memories, nor can it replace the things that we love, the things that really matters. Question number 12. Why does the poet think that it is useless to give the following suggestions to the boy? No use to say, oh, there are other balls. Answer. According to the poet, it is useless to console the boy by saying that he can get another ball in place of the lost one. The boy had a long association with the ball. It was thus useless to give him such a suggestion because he wanted to get back the ball that he had lost. Question number 13. Why did the poet not offer the boy money to buy another ball? This question had come in the year 2015, CBSE class 10th. Answer. The poet does not offer his money to buy another ball because the lesson of loss learnt from this experience would become worthless and would not teach the little one to learn the lesson of responsibility from this situation. The poet watches the boy who had plunged in grief at the loss of his ball. He did not offer the boy money to buy another ball. He felt that another ball could not console the boy. It seemed that the boy had the ball for a long period of time. The poet also wanted the boy to learn the epistemology of loss. He wants the boy to learn the lesson of responsibility. That is why he does not offer him money, because that would be worthless for him. He wants the boy to learn the meaning of loss. Question number 14. Why did the boy feel so sad at the loss of his ball? Answer. When the boy lost the ball, he plunged in grief. He stood staring down the harbor where his ball was lost. The boy was affected profoundly by the loss of his ball because it has been with him for a long period of time. It was linked to the memories of the days when he used to play with it. So it was associated with his memories for a long period of time, and that is why he missed his ball. Question number 15. This question had come in CBSE 2014. Why is it important for everyone to experience loss and to stand up after it? Answer. It is important for everyone to experience loss and stand after it in order to be strong and to get on with life. One needs to stay strong no matter how much it hurts inside. Staying strong is the only way to survive. Moreover, one needs to learn to accept and let go and not cling to something that they can never have. One should understand that the past is gone and it will never come back. Experiencing loss sometimes helps us to grow up and face hardships like loss. This helps us in breaking all the boundaries into freedom. Question number 16. Why does the poet say, I would not intrude on him? Answer. The poet does not want to intervene in the natural process of learning, that is, from the experience of loss. This will teach the boy that loss is also an important part of the life. He wants the boy to learn the meaning of loss on his own. That is why he says, I would not intrude on him. Question number 17. Staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went, do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time? Is it linked to the memories of the days when he played with it? Answer. Yes. It appears that the boy has had the ball for a long period of time. When it bounced and fell into the water, all his memories of days of childhood flashed in front of him. This led to the realization that those moments would not come back, just like the ball. He felt that he can buy new balls and those would create new memories or new moments for him. But those that are gone with the ball into the water would never return back. Question number 18. Do you think the boy has lost anything earlier? Pick out the words that suggest the answer. Answer. No, it seems that the boy had not lost anything earlier. The words that suggest so are, he senses first responsibility in a world of possession. This line suggests that the sense of loss given to him gave him an experience of understanding how several precious moments are lost with the loss of particular object. Question number 19. Why does the poet say the boy is learning from the loss of the ball? Explain. The poet tries to convey through this poem that the boy has learnt an important lesson to cope up with the loss of the ball. He is experiencing grief and sadness while he grows up in the world of possession, where everybody loves to possess things or material in their name, whether it is a possession of land, property, money, or any other thing. He learns that there are so many things in life that are lost and cannot be brought back. He also senses his first responsibility as he has lost the ball. The boy will learn to stand up and leave the losses behind, as he would have understood the true meaning and nature of loss. And as he moves ahead in life and understands the meaning and nature of loss, it is useless to feel sorrow for it. Question number 20. What is the deep meaning hidden in the poem, The Ball Poem? The deep meaning hidden in the ball poem is that our childhood flies away as quickly as the ball is lost. Also, the child grows up so quickly that he has to face the harsh realities of life like loss. Question number 21. What is the boy's state of mind at the loss of his ball? Answer. The boy is very disturbed at the loss of his ball. He keeps staring at the ball with his desperate eyes. Question number 22. Explain the idea that one should learn to accept and let go and not stick to something that we cannot have. Answer. It is important for everyone to experience, to accept the loss and be bold and get on with life. Staying strong is the only way to survive. One should understand that the past is gone and will never come back. Sometimes loss helps us to grow up and we are able to face hardships like losses. We also learn to accept and let go and not stick to something which we cannot have. So, dear children, with these words, I end my lesson. Hope this lesson will be beneficial for you in your studies. Do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.